BC, you're here with Jared, and we're here in BC Work Tips. This is tip 9, and we're talking about multi-company. So here in Business Central, you can see I have on my environment button, I have multiple entities available to me. So this is a sandbox. I've condensed up my other companies here, but here you can see company 1, 2, and Kronos, which has been created in my sandbox. Now, if I want to jump between company 1 and company 2, how do I do it? The long way is I go cog, my settings, I click the company, and I change my company. That is a long way. The short way is just to click on company 2. And you have 2 options here available to you. You either click switch, or you can click open in new tab. Here now, I have company 1 still open, and as it loads, company 2 available for me to operate in both companies at the same time. And at any time, I can switch and go back by pressing the same button. So click here, click on, and click company 1. Here we go, switch, and I'm back in company 1. That's your BC Work Tip 9.